And we're going to be going over an artist right now. Let's see here. This is going to be called Morris Katz. This guy right here, I guess he's in the Guinness Book of World Records for painting the most, or maybe he's not, but he's known to be a very prolific artist. I think it's just going to be fun just to watch him paint real quick, how he has no ego in the art, how you can see in real time that the art is already there. Like, the creative process is already there. There's nothing special. It's just about showing up. He shows up. He's been doing it so many times, and he has so many pieces of art where he just knows that by him showing up, the art is going to present itself. And it's just like Michelangelo or anything else where it's like the work is already there. We're already creators. God already has the art there that's there. I can't make it any prettier. I can't make it any worse. Only thing that I could do is just show up and paint it, and then it is what it is. And that's the beauty about art. Like, art, you can actually see, art is like the closest that you can actually see God sometimes, where you just, how did I do that? I don't know how I did that because I didn't go to art school. I don't know how that was possible, but somehow I'm able to create it. And the happy mistakes also lies in you working in speed. I told this story before, but I remember I even wrote it down. I had this dream. It was like 3-4 years ago because I was really struggling. And I was mentally battling myself with working faster, producing, but also just doing different types of art. So I go to sleep, and then I had this dream, and it was this celebrity who is like a musician or something. Don't even like the person either, which is crazy. But in the dream, the person says that the genius lies in working fast, and working fast and speed is the happy mistakes. It wasn't Bob Ross, but it was along that premise right there. And then as soon as I had that dream, I remember I wrote it down into my journal. I dated it. And from there, I was able to increase my speed. I was able to get better. The artwork was already there. So let's just go over this video right now. Let me share this with you. Let's open this up. All right. So this is going to be Morris Katz right here.
Hi, welcome to the experience of art alive. I'm very happy to be back here at the Great Joe Franklin Show. Right now, I think I'm going to give you an art lesson, how to create some beautiful flowers. Flowers, of course, here it is, happening right now. And if I may mention something what had happened a long time ago when real people was doing a reunion with, George Slater, the beautiful Sarah Purcell, Freddie Willard in Disneyland in Orlando. I was out there. They made like a movie, 3 different segments. I painted the Disney castle, there. Who was it? Peter Pan wants to have painted the castle for Cinderella. Later they told me, go and paint her kitchen. But Cinderella couldn't find where the kitchen was. So it doesn't matter. Anyway, so while I was doing it outside, there was a mob of people there. And they
What's he
looked at me,
talking about?
Hey, there is Morris Katz. Where is Joe Franklin? Joe Franklin. So I said, Joe Franklin is signing autographs. So they dumped me, the people, and they ran right away to see the great Joe Franklin sign some autographs. It doesn't matter. Let me go back now to the art. As many of you have seen me so many times.
Look how quick he's working that background.
I was very privileged to meet at one time here, actually my very famous or very favorite from the jungle of
I work my backgrounds the same way, but I don't use the knife like he's doing.
Also here backstage, I met also
but kind of similar because I'll use a rubber brush at times.
Yeah, Jane Katz, a gold medal winner for swimming, and I think she is now teaching how to hold back aging. So you never know. Next time when you see me on the Joe Franklin Show, I'm going to be 17 years old. Let's see how much time have I got here. I think I'm in trouble now with the timing as far as...
Look, you see, he's timing himself.
I only hope they get some more footage while I smear it around. So
he's looking at the timer, and he's rushing the timer so he can make the happy mistakes because it's already there.
Let's see now what I can do.
I guarantee you, if he tried to...
Using my brushes, my international acclaimed tools.
I guarantee you, if he tried to make pretty art like Mona Lisa's or tried to slow it down and try to think that he could just work whenever, I guarantee you for him, it wouldn't look good, or he wouldn't produce it the same way that how he's able to produce the happy mistakes because it's already there.
No brush is done. It's all done with this unique way, which I have invented some 35 years ago. I have my own dictionary on art, and I possibly can teach
Look,
you
he's
how to
even
paint
using
good quality
a
painting in very little
paper
time.
towel.
I only hope the clock has stopped a little bit, a few seconds. I don't know if we can do something here much. Let's create one rose here and another rose here. And many
Oh,
times
he's doing
some
a
people
flower
ask me when I
pot.
create shows at the resorts upstate in the Catskills, they say, stop, I stop. And they say, sign it, I sign it. And that's how they buy it. Here's a beautiful rose here. Here's one rose here, another one. Okay, I saw it, I know it, I get visions now with artistry, with creativity. So that's my whole life story. Art is, my name is Morris Katz, and art is my game. And I try to communicate with my art, to do various different ideas, to teach, to do fundraising, promotions. I'm very big in promotions, booth appearances, booth disappearances, all around. Let me get back now, I'm running low on brushes.
I love this guy.
Masterpiece, maybe like 2 seconds. You see, make a mistake and just cover it up. Nobody knows the difference. At this moment,
Nobody knows the
create an
difference.
abstract and a painting. Let me throw in a few
Exactly.
daisies in honor of
Abstract
two beautiful
and a
ladies,
painting. You see how beautiful this
Jane
is?
Katz and 𝐖𝐢𝐥𝐥. Yes, we'll do. I think I may even have time enough to sign my name. It's not so easy. I try to imitate my name all the time, and it doesn't come out so good anyway. A few seconds now.
He tried to imitate his name all the time.
So you're very welcome to call me up, or you can watch me on the Great Joe Franklin Show very, very often, or David Letterman Show, or other shows. There's too many shows, too numerous to be mentioned. Okay.
You see how he's not taking himself serious because he knows that it all comes together. If you go to museums, artwork looks just like this when you get a chance to look at it.
At the same time. So many great ideas. Signing now the signature, original art, created. This is all life. Nothing has been cut. And you are the people, my inspiration. So watch always the Great Joe Franklin Show has given me the greatest exposures in the past since 1928, 23 years. America, the experience, roses, congratulations. Watch Instant Art Alive on the Great Joe Franklin Show.
That is so cool right there. That was so cool. The reason why that was so cool is because he was able to do that in 5 minutes, but he was able to do it with no ego involved, and he was able to do it with the pressure of actually being on, I think it was like a national TV show at the time, and that's his art style. But if you go to museums and if you study the masters, this is how the masters work. People think that the masters worked using, they were being meticulous and they were slow. No, they were producing fast art. They were producing fast art because they also understood that that's where the genius lied at. That's where the beauty lied at, is that the fast work. Like, let's just look at that one more time so you can see what his artwork looks like. And that's on a larger canvas right there. People don't want super duper high realistic surrealism stuff. They want to see stuff that is coming from your core. They want to see stuff that is coming from the creator, right? They want to see something that's something so different. If you go to a museum, the reason that I tell people to go to a museum is that way you can really study their brushstrokes, and you can see that they're not that special. You can see that all those pictures that they show, that you're able to do it too, and it's not that special. It's not that special. So I'm always inspired anytime that I leave a museum, is because I'm able to study. Okay, let me see the master's brushstroke. Oh, they were sloppier than I am. When you go to a museum, you're going to see that these people are sloppier than you are. They didn't care. They didn't have ego because they also understood that it didn't market, that it didn't matter. They also understood that when it comes to, I'm not going to say they didn't value the collector, but they value more of themselves. And they're like, at the end, I'm prolific. And as long as you're prolific and you look at your body of work like one piece of painting, that's what matters. So I just love that right there. I wanted to share that with you. That was a quick video of a reaction of, this is Morris Katz. Morris Katz. If you like this, let me know in the comments that you like Morris Katz. If you like more of these videos, then I'll do a one-off video. I'll just do a special video where I will go over Morris Katz other artworks and other videos that he has, because he has more videos, he has more artwork, and I'll go over that. So let me know in the comments if you like that. Leave a like on there, and that's pretty cool that we could go over Morris Katz. And there we have it right there. That's the end of the video. Like I said, you don't have to be a traditional artist. You can do this for yourself. You can start making money as early as next week. You can have everything mapped out and set up for you. Click the link below. Join us in the eBay art community so you can do this for yourself. But if you're not interested, then that's fine too. Just leave me a like on this video. Let me know that you appreciate the art that we're creating and the cool stuff that we're talking about and that you're vibing with it. Hey, that means the world to me as well. All right, I'm going to check you out on the next video.